I was browsing Twitter and found these questions. Do developer getting bored to the code? I thought it might be relevant for you. What might be reasons for many of us as a programmer and developer to getting bored with the code? What do you think? You can write down your comment below. But in this video I will show you some of the tweets reply for these questions. The very first comment is, it's like a Lord of Rings. Sometimes the journey between form and database is like nice walk through the Shire. Sometimes it is an epic journey with orcs, giant spiders and crazy person yelling at you to give them their precious. So the reaction of this tweet is like. Now moving to the next tweet. And this reaction if your work is already done but not working this time. Let's move forward and see the next tweet. After many years building similar system, you can get bored and lots of system we build are basically form over data. So the interaction with customer keeps its fun. So customer satisfaction is needed. So the reactions of this tweet is valid and genuine. So loved it. So now moving to the next tweet and see the reply. So for this one, yes, we do, but a programming language is a tool and it's like asking whether a carpenter gets bored swinging a hammer. Of course they do, but it's the creation that keeps you engaged. So this is so factual and so this is so real and filmy as well. Now let's see the next tweet reply for this question. Let's read this tweet reply. I won't say bored, but I definitely have period of not feeling very motivated and being burned out. So I think if I worked for a company and generally did the same stuff every day, I would get bored. But I'm always doing something different, and that is solutions of not being bored. So my reaction of this tweet is good and interesting. What is yours? So keep watching and let's move to the next tweet. This tweet reply also support the doing new things, and another thing that gets bored is once you reached at the end of the project and it's in the maintenance mode, so time or refactor is the boring part. So reaction of this tweet is okay and we can say the true and honest reply. So the final conclusion is that doing the new things, okay, and interacting with customer is the solution for not getting bored from the code for the developers and programmer or coder we can say. So thanks for watching. Let's meet in another one, some others insight informations and some others questions answer or maybe reading the next tweet that might be more relevant for you. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in another one and let's subscribe for the new update.